So welcome to a lesson on problem solving with whole numbers. And we have an example here. It says Amy drives to Costco to buy supplies for an upcoming event. She is responsible for providing breakfast to a large group of Boy Scouts the next weekend. Hash browns are on her list of supplies to purchase, and she needs to buy enough to serve 100 people. The hash browns are sold in packs of 8 boxes, and each box in the pack will serve 4 people. How many packs should she buy minimum? And B, how many people will she be able to serve with this purchase? So here's the thing. When you're solving word problems or application problems, there are 5 steps that you want to follow. The first step is write down everything that you read and that's given. Okay, sometimes in this first step with the given, you may want to draw a diagram if appropriate. So for us here, what's some of the information that we know? Well, we have Amy needs to purchase hash browns to serve 100 people. So must serve 100 people. All right, so that's good to know. We got to keep track of that. Okay, what else do we know? Hash browns are sold in packs of 8 boxes. So 8 boxes per pack, right? And we also know that each box in the pack will serve 4 people. So 4 people served per pack. Okay, so what's the goal? Write down what it is you're asked to find. This helps focus your efforts. So the goal is, how many packs should she buy? How many packs to buy? This is if she's going to serve 100 people, right? And then how many people will she be able to serve with this purchase? So is it going to be just 100 people, or are there going to be more people that she can serve? Okay, so let's see. So now we need to set up a problem, to set up and solve a problem, and this involves your math. And so looking at all this information, what would be important for us to figure out first? Well, let's see. We know that 1 pack of hash browns serves 4 people, right? 1 box. So this is a box, sorry, you should change that. So 1 box serves 4 people, and there are 8 boxes in each pack of hash browns. So we can figure out how many people get served in 1 pack of hash browns by multiplying that 8 boxes times the 4 people per box. So 1 pack of hash browns is going to serve 8 boxes times 4 people per box. So there are 8 boxes, there's 4 people served per box. So 1 pack is going to serve 32 people. Right? Okay. Now she's got to purchase enough packs that she can serve 100 people. So now we need to divide. We need to figure out how many packs does she need. If 1 pack serves 32 people, how many packs will she need to serve, to buy to get 100 people served? So we're going to divide now. That's 100 people divided by 32. And this is going to give us how many packs she needs to buy, right? Okay, so 32 goes into 100, 3 times? And 3 times 32 is 96. Remainder of 4, right? So this is our remainder. So what does that tell you? That tells you that if we buy 4 packs of the hash browns, we're only going to serve 96 people. So there's going to be 4 people that don't get hash browns. And we don't want that, right? Because she wants to be able to serve 100 people. So we are going to have to buy 4 packs, right? Okay, so now let's figure out, so how many packs should she buy minimum? Well, the minimum she should buy is 4 packs, right? So she should buy 4 packs minimum. Okay, but how many people will that actually serve? Well, 4 packs Each pack serves 32 people, so 4 times 32, we need to multiply, right? Okay, so let's see. So 32 times 4, 8. And so when she buys the 4 packs of hash browns, she's going to be able to serve 128 people. Okay, so now let's check your answer. Is that answer reasonable? Does it fit the problem? Yeah, that seems reasonable. 4 packs. We've got 8 boxes in each pack. Each pack is 4 people, so we've got 32. So it does seem reasonable that buying 4 packs will serve the 100 people. Okay, so that's checked, huh? And sometimes you aren't able to actually check into an equation, but you want to see if the numbers make sense, So you want to always check your answer and see if they make sense. All right, and then final result is you want to have a concluding statement that answers the question. So the question that was posed, let's go back here, was how many packs to buy minimum, A, and B was how many people would she be able to serve with this purchase. So she should buy, and you want to write this down, one concluding sentence. She should buy 4 packs of hash browns minimum, and you want to make sure that you put the correct units. 4 packs of hash browns minimum. Whoops. And she'll be able to serve 128 people. Excellent. Now you've done the 5 steps. So let's recap. Read the word problem carefully. Pull out every information that's given that is going to help you solve your problem. Goal is make sure you understand what are the questions you need to answer so that you can focus. Third step, do your math work. Sometimes you'll have an equation. Sometimes you'll have a couple of different equations like we did here. We had a couple of different calculations to perform. Fourth step, check your answer. Does it seem reasonable or does it seem outrageous? If it seems outrageous, go back and check your work. And final result, you want to write a concluding statement with the appropriate units and make sure your concluding statement answers the question posed by the word problem. Now in your book may have different names for the 5 steps. This book has this strategy. It says analyze the problem by reading carefully what information is given. So they call it analyze, but we called it given. Same thing. Form a plan. So that's your goal. Form a plan. This is your goal. Solve the problem by performing the calculations. So that's your math work. Now they've got this switch. They've got state the conclusion and include the units and then check your result. All right. Hope that helps.